Hello! To set up alarm clock on Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all we have to go into the clock application right here, and to set up a new alarm we have to press this plus icon, and right now we can set the hours, minutes, we can change the parameters from AM to PM, we can set the ringtone for our alarm. Here are also more ringtones available. Next we can set if we want to have this alarm on repeat to daily from Monday to Friday. We can set our custom repeat and we can just set it once. We can also toggle vibrations when the alarm goes off, and here we have also this option delete after alarm goes off. And basically if you want to set up just a reminder yourself and then you don't want this alarm in the menu right here, you can enable this option, and as it goes off then the alarm deletes. And also obviously you can set the label for your alarm, and as you're done setting you simply press this check mark and right here you have the alarm, as you can see. So that's it. Thank you for watching.